How to add or remove the apps panel to Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on edge panels. After click on edge panel, make sure turn on edge panel button. After turn on edge panel button, click on panels. So if you want to remove app panels, so click on apps. You will see apps is removed on your panel. If you want to add apps panel to edge panel, so click on apps. You will see apps is add. So you will add or remove apps from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove the apps panel to edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.